Hey guys, so if you have a Mercedes, this one is a W213, I believe, and you have a problem with your front door or any door basically. So in this case, the problem is with this door right here. You see it's a little bit lower, and sometimes it's really hard to open, or it's impossible to open the door from inside. You have to give it a few tries, and you can hear it when you open it. A strange noise. Usually you have to, oh, you can see it here that it's playing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's playing. It's loose actually. So there is a cap here, a plastic cap. You have to remove it and you have to tighten this one up. But before doing that, you have to find a 7 mil key with an extension at least this long, and then you have to put your knee right here or ask someone to pull it up and to the front, so to your right basically. So I'm gonna put my knee and you'll see that I'm gonna push it. You see now this one is back in place where it should be, and I'm gonna tighten this one up. Usually it's just half a turn, a little bit more, but make it as tight as you can, and should be good right now. Let's see. And even it closes much easier. Before it would just stop like this because it was not aligned. Right now closes pretty, yeah, right now no, but from here, that's it. And there's no noise when you open the door. It's just regular, no movement, nothing. So yep, that's how you fix the door on a Mercedes.